I gotta go down and stop Lily at the bottom. You know, wait, what? I'll take this thing out. Stop her. You're alright, Mom. I won't hit you.
Okay.
Oh, God. Alright, Lily, you're good. Mom, you're setting the direction where she's going to drive at.
Okay, I'll move.
I missed. There's a lot of brakes in that.
Where?
Yeah, running into me.
This is a brake?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, does she know?
Yeah.
She didn't know how to use the brake?
No, apparently not.
Yeah.
Lindsay's not going to land in it. Oh, I'm not even. That's how I stopped her. Go ahead and go down, Matt. Guys, watch out for Matt. Lindsay, no.